So, soulmates, today's message is for the woman, the man, the person who feels stuck between the weight of your circumstance and the whisper of your calling. Listen, maybe life has thrown you a curveball. Maybe you are navigating grief, transition, financial pressure, or even self-doubt. But in spite of that, there's something inside of you that still knows that you're meant for more. Listen, soulmate, today I'm here as a reminder, as a clarion call, that your calling was never meant to be canceled.